Reproductive health rights organizations have expressed disappointment over the Court of Appeal decision banning abortion, saying this will contribute to an increase in maternal deaths. The organizations contend that the verdict could heighten fears of arbitrary arrest among healthcare providers and those seeking reproductive health services. NTV's Frida Okachi now examines the implication of the Court of Appeal's ruling in this story voiced by Mercy Avoga.
Center for Reproductive Rights advocate says the ruling could limit access to safe reproductive health care, thereby increasing risks for women facing pregnancy-related complications.
This ruling by the Court of Appeal creates what we call a chilling effect, not only for women and girls, but also for healthcare providers. Because in essence, what it means is that women and girls will delay seeking care in case they're experiencing a pregnancy loss or a vaginal bleeding or something of the sort.
She also warns that the decision could have far-reaching implications for the health sector, particularly for medical practitioners who may fear prosecution when providing emergency care to women.
What the Court of Appeal has done is empower law enforcement agencies, including the police officers and, the Director of Public Prosecutions, to arrest and initiate charges, against women and girls and healthcare providers seeking these, reproductive healthcare services.
A 2023 study on abortion and abortion-related complications in Kenya established that 792,694 women sought abortion-related care, with 70% of them aged between 15 and 49 years. Lawyer Prudence Mutiso also pointed out legal gaps that still need to be addressed.
Our recommendation is that Parliament needs to pass a law or a policy that can bring sections 158 to 160 in alignment with Article 26(4), because abortion is a fundamental human right under the Constitution.
In its ruling, the Court of Appeal, sitting in Malindi, held that the High Court erred in declaring abortion a fundamental constitutional right. The judges emphasized that Kenya's constitution protects life from the moment of conception and that abortion remains a criminal offense except in unavoidable circumstances permitted by the law under Article 26, Sub-Article 4. The case also arose from an objection to an earlier High Court decision that had acquitted the accused persons. Attention has now shifted to the Supreme Court, where a fresh appeal is expected to be filed. The court is expected to provide final guidance on the interpretation of Article 26, Sub-Article 4 of the Constitution and its implementation within Kenya's healthcare and justice system.